Within the client's onboarding tab of the advisor portal, you can customize the onboarding process for clients who are still within their initial data entry phase. While this can be done individually for each client, you can also create onboarding templates. These templates allow you to save a particular onboarding layout and quickly and easily apply that layout to one or more clients going forward. To create an onboarding template, navigate to the Advisor portal, Templates, Onboarding tab. Once here, click the blue Add Template button in the upper right to create a new template. You can rename the template by clicking the pencil and paper icon next to the template name. You can then fully customize your template by adding, removing, and reordering the data entry steps to best suit your needs. You can also choose to utilize the blueprint template type to change the visuals and design of the initial data entry to match those found in the blueprint module. After completing your template, be sure to click the blue Save button in the lower right to lock in your selections. From there, onboarding templates can be applied within the client's onboarding tab for a specific client. This is an additional tab that is only available for clients who are still within the initial data entry phase. Use the Select Onboarding Template dropdown to choose your desired template, and then click Save in the lower right. Upon next opening that client plan, the initial data entry template will update to reflect your changes. If you have any additional questions about onboarding templates, please feel free to take a look at our Help Center or to reach out to the RightCapital support team for more information.